We need to believe that growth is possible. If you believe, you can make it happen.
As we look ahead the next 4 or 5 years, what are the things that we need to further sharpen so that we can actually use culture as an enabler for our future success?
We want to bring in a single point of ownership for the customer from early stages of the conversation so that the ball doesn't get dropped or we don't lose the value that we can deliver through the handoff process that we go through.
Because we have served so many customers of so many industry, we know what are the benchmarks and we can help the customers to take right decision.
We get a lot of network data on our side. How do we use this network data to give analytics help for Move?
I think we have a good pipeline of the skills which we should be in a position to put this in this one to address larger requirement as we move ahead.
But there is continuous innovation that we must do.
All of us need to ensure that the customer is at the front of what we do. I think the entire management team is behind every single customer opportunity that we are going to be working with.
So the rightful place for us, and we need to ask a question as to how can we become truly a digital ecosystem enabler.
I'm not worried about the number. I think the opportunities are there. It's just trying to organize ourselves, trying to bring that sharpness in the execution into the region is what's going to get us to where we need to get to.
Understand the customer context. Therefore, we can see what is the value of what we need to provide, and we need to then design our products and services accordingly.
And when we analyze this whole space, we figure out that where is the growth actually happening? The growth is actually happening in the IT, ITES space and the BFSI sector.
This world of video consumption is changing patterns dramatically.
We need to start thinking about how do we embed more AI, ML into everything that we do.
But I think we can still improve in making sure we deliver that feedback circle in terms of what our customers are saying and driving that within our product to make sure that we're road mapping in the right way.
I think growth, in my view, is a mindset.
This is the bottoms up, this is the first view. I believe these numbers can be better.
These are capabilities that we already have. I think we need to go and sell them.
We do have the technical expertise, but to showcase it, we need to do a little bit more work.
We're not going to lose anything. I mean, there's nothing to lose in this. We have everything to gain.
There's a lot of simple products that we actually have currently, should be, standardized so that we can automate. That's the only way that we can gain efficiency.
We need to think about how do we pitch for large network transformation. Can we make the connectivity more aware of the application and therefore bundle the connectivity plus some intelligence, and that's how we can create more and more value.
It's been a growing portfolio, right? Especially leveraging on the hybrid growth.
We need to be thinking about how do we build a scalable foundation so that we can grow into the years 2 and 3.
We need your help too in order to help you be successful.
Currently, almost 92% of our costs are fixed. And what our aim really should be over the next couple of years is really to bring that down to 70%.
I firmly believe we can.